Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Assuming that you have all of the relevant information about your loan, you can enter the loan into the Loan Manager in order to set up a payment schedule. Using the Loan Manager allows you to manage all of the loans that you have to pay from a single screen. To add a loan to your Loan Manager, select Banking from the menu bar, and then choose the Loan Manager command. This will launch the Loan Manager window. Within this window, you can click the Add a Loan button. In the Add a Loan window that then appears, select the name of the liability account that you want to add from the Account Name dropdown. The balance of the account will be shown as the current balance. Use the Lender dropdown to select the name of the bank who lent you the money. Then enter the origination date of the loan. That's the date that's used to calculate the loan maturity date and the number of remaining payments. Next, enter the original amount of the loan into the original amount field. In the Terms section, enter the terms of the loan by typing a number and then selecting the time increments from the drop-down menu. Then click Next to continue. On the next screen, enter the due date of the next payment into the box provided. In the Payment Amount field, enter the total amount of the loan payment. Then enter the next payment number if desired. In the Payment Period dropdown, select the type of payments that you make. If the loan has an escrow payment, select the Yes option button for that question, and then enter the escrow amount and the asset account used to track escrow payments. You can also leave a check in the Alert Me 10 days before a payment is due checkbox to have that feature applied. Then click the Next button to continue. In the next screen, enter the interest rate here as a percentage into the interest rate text box. In the Compounding Period dropdown, select the type of compounding used for the loan, monthly or exact days. If you select exact days, then select whether the lender is using a 360 or 365-day year for their calculations from the Compute Period dropdown. Next, select the bank account from which you make the payments by using the Payment Account dropdown. Then use the Interest Expense account to select the expense account that you use to track the loan interest payments. Use the Fees/Charges expense account to select the expense account used to record the amounts assessed for late penalties. When you're finished, simply click the Finish button. The loan will be added into the loan list in the Loan Manager window. You can click it to select it, and then click the 3 tabs below it to view the summary of the loan, the payment schedule, or the contact info for the lender. To set up a payment for a loan listed within the loan list, select the loan in the list, and then click the Set Up Payment button. This will launch the Setup Payment dialog box, where you first use the This Payment Is dropdown to select either a regular payment or an extra payment. Double-check the payment information to ensure that the amounts listed are correct. Then use the drop-down in the Payment Method section to select the payment method you wish to use. Click OK to view the loan payment as either a check to pay now or a bill that you can pay later, depending on your choice made from the drop-down within the Payment Method section. Now, if you need to edit a loan, you can select the loan name in the Loan List section of the Loan Manager window, and then click the Edit Loan Details button. This will launch you through the same wizard that you used to create the loan, allowing you to change any information as needed. To delete a loan from the Loan Manager, you would select the name of the loan within the loan list and then simply click the Remove Loan button. You would need to click Yes in the confirmation dialog box that appears in order to remove the selected loan. Now within the Loan Manager window, you can also click the What If Scenarios button to launch the What If Scenarios dialog box. You can use the drop-down at the top of this dialog box to answer hypothetical questions about your loans, such as, what if I change my interest rate? You can select a question you wish to investigate further and enter in any requested information in the area below. This can be a very useful tool to compare loans and make sure that you aren't paying too much for the money that you've borrowed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.